But sometimes before you start pulling all that technology out, right, I would just try to use like the skill that you have on your heart on like how to close somebody. Does that make sense? I mean, do you think that a V-Auto tool is stronger than empathy selling me and him? No ways. And how do you value yourself at closing? Like, do you think that you're the best? From 1 to 10, how good do you think you are? You guys all need to rate yourself at 11s. Like, you need to be that good. Remember, like I said, like Alcatraz, like no one escapes? You know, and I'm sitting here with you, so I just want you to understand that, like, when I'm this close, like, it's just, I'm not invading your space, but I'm actually hard to say no to when I'm working a deal with you. And I play that to my leverage. So let's just say it says, hey, I just think it's too high. First of all, number one, I apologize, okay? And I can do this because I'm right here with him. And if I said if you guys were together, I would sit right there between you guys. And I'd say, I apologize. Number one, this is completely my fault. Remember, at that point, have I said anything's my fault the entire time? No. This is the first time. You're thinking, what in the hell is this guy talking about, right? Now say, I apologize. This is completely my fault. I didn't explain my pricing policy to you guys up front. You see, we've learned that 90% of our customers, they actually want to get the best price up front, okay? And then the other 10%, they still want to negotiate and think about it, like haggle. Unfortunately, we find it disrespectful and untrustworthy. You see, I'm looking for a further relationship than just today with you and your family. See, if I was to mark my car up $3,000 and then mark it back down $3,000, even if you felt like you win, is that trustworthy or respectful? No. So I'm looking for a further relationship than just today. Adele, have I offended you or your family in any way at all, by giving you my best price up front? In any way? Thank goodness. Thank you so much. Ma'am, thank you so much for your business. I appreciate you guys. If you'll just sign right here, I'll get your new car cleaned up. And I apologize. When did you want to set your first payment due on your car? We never talked about that. Towards the beginning of the month, the middle of the month, and I'm just going into it. I'm done. That's it. Is there a better way to handle a guy and serve him back when he's just trying for a better deal? Anything other than this? Am I right? Listen, can you say no to me? No. And I'm not going to let you say no to me. You know what I'm saying? Have I offended you and your family in any way by giving you my best price up front? They always say no. The answer to that is 100% of the time, no. They'll always say no.